Yes, but welcome to first PU electronics classes. Last class we have solved one problem in Thevenin's theorem. Hope you understand the procedures involved in solving the Thevenin's theorem. And today I am going to take two or more problems, because this is very important topic into important problems which are where one or two questions may asked in final examination. Therefore, so you have to practice more regarding this. Next problem, find the current through 4 ohm resistor. Find the current through 4 ohm resistor. In the figure, find the current through find the current through 2 ohm resistor, current through 2 ohm resistor using Thevenin's theorem. Using Thevenin's theorem. Okay. Now, the circuit is volt. Okay. Find the current through 2 ohm resistor using Thevenin's theorem. For this, you need not apply Thevenin's theorem. So, anyhow, we are studying about the Thevenin's theorem. So, therefore, let us solve this problem using Thevenin's theorem only. Otherwise, we can use current divider rule if I calculate the value of current I. Okay. Maybe the steps involved in the Thevenin's theorem is same as the steps involved to calculate the current through 2 ohm resistor using current divider rule. But anyhow, let us only take about the steps involved in solving the Thevenin's theorem. Okay, first to calculate VTH. This is a load 2 ohm resistor, find the current through 2 ohm resistor. ನೋಡಿ ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳದಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಯಾವ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ ಅದು ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಓಮ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ 2 ಓಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಲೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಪನ್ ದ ಲೋಡ್, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ದ ಓಪನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. VTH 4 ಓಮ್ 2 ಓಮ್. Calculate the open. So, open load voltage to allow 20 volt. Okay. Now, VTH equal to use voltage divider rule, 20 volt into resistance of that branch 4 volt divided by sum of resistances 12 plus 6 4. 24 divided by 16. Okay, VTH equal to how much? 16 ones are 1.88 6 1.43 volt. Okay, 1.43 volt. Let us see about by looking at the 20 volt 20. Sorry, this is 80. 80. So this is 5 volt. This is 5 volt. Now see the steps involved to calculate the Thevenin 5 volt. Next thing is to calculate RTH. Once again open the load, find the resistance looking back into the okay. RTH equal to, okay, replace the power supply by its internal resistance. Since we have voltage source here, replace it by short circuit. So, RTH equal to the resistance between these two terminals. So, this 12 volt comes in parallel with the 4 ohm. So, this is 12 parallel 4, see 12 parallel 4 short. See what is the resistance between open terminal RTH equal to, see this is which resistor you have to consider from A to B, only these two resistors 3 ohm is considered RTH from here to here. A resistor will not prefer this path, therefore, only 3 ohm resistor is coming to picture. Okay. Because from A this is B, B is shifted to here and same B is shifted to here. So, between A and B only 3 ohm resistor. So, RTH is 3 ohm, therefore, Thevenin's equivalent circuit is VTH, RTH and load resistor 3 ohm, RTH is 3 ohm and 0 volt. Therefore, current through RL, I 3 ohm is equal to 0 ampere. Why? Because VTH is 0 volt here. Sometimes we need to understand the circuit first. Okay. This circuit is very peculiar circuit, very peculiar circuit. Therefore, you have to take care about it. Okay. Thank you very much. Next problem is find, third problem, find the current through RL. Find the current through RL. Find the current through RL in the circuit. Using Thevenin's theorem. circuit is volt 12 ohm 4 ohm. RL is 2. RL is 2. Okay. This is the circuit. How to find the current through RL? This is RL. RL. Why? Because RL is 2 ohm. Okay. This is RL. RL is 2 ohm. Find the current through RL. So here you have to find IL using Thevenin's theorem, that is clearly mentioned. So first convert this into a Thevenin's equivalent circuit to calculate VTH. Okay. Open the load, mark the open terminal as A and B, 12 ohm, 4 ohm to V 20 volt. So here you have to connect the power supply like this. Open the load, mark the open terminal as open A and B, find VTH using voltage divider rule. We can calculate VTH. VTH equal to supply voltage multiplied by that resistor 4 volt. E voltage nodidre ಆಯಿತು. So this is series network, 4 divided by 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4. Okay. This is equal to 80 divided by 16 equal to 5 volt. Equal to 5 volt. Next, to calculate RTH, replace all sources by its internal resistance. Okay, and find out the RTH by looking back into the opened load terminals. Illinda illi correct resistance ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ RTH. RTH is equal to 12 parallel 4. This is 12 parallel 4. So 12 parallel 4, 12 into 4 divided by 12 plus 4. 12 into 4 divided by 12 plus 4 is equal to 48 divided by 16 equal to 3 ohm. Equal to 3 ohm. Therefore, Thevenin's equivalent network, Thevenin's equivalent resistance circuit is VTH in series with RTH and reconnect the load. VTH equal to 5 volt, RTH equal to 3 ohm and RL equal to 2. RL equal to 2. Okay. Now, the load current IL is equal to VTH divided by RTH plus RL. VTH is 5 volt, RTH is 3 ohm, RL is 2 ohm. So 5 by 5 equal to 1 ampere. 5 by 5 equal to 1 ampere. Okay. Now solve for next problem. find the Thevenin equivalent circuit find the Thevenin's equivalent circuit, across the open terminal A and B, across the open terminals, A and B, open terminals A and B of the circuit in the figure, in the figure. Yes, the circuit is 50 volt, 15 ohm, 10 ohm. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೋಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್, ಲೋಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಡ್ರಾ ದಿ ಥೆವೆನಿನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಥೆವೆನಿನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ VTH and RTH, ಬಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್, ಲೋಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ is not necessary in this particular network. Okay, and you need not redraw the circuit to calculate VTH and RTH, because to calculate RTH you have to redraw, because you have to remove the power supply, but to calculate VTH direct circuit can be used. Okay, no need of writing the circuit once again. Now to find VTH, I draw the circuit once again. Okay, say mark the open terminals A and B. This is VTH, 10 ohm, 15 ohm, 50 volt. Now VTH equal to voltage across 10 ohm. Okay, that is 50 into 10 divided by 15 plus 10, 500 divided by 25 equal to 20 volt. To calculate RTH, voltage divider rule, 50 into 10 divided by 20 plus 10, 50, 10 plus 15. Next, to calculate RTH, replace voltage source by short circuit. Next, RTH 15 ohm, 10 ohm. Next, RTH equal to 15 parallel 10, same as the previous problem. 15 parallel 10, 15 into 10 divided by 15 plus 10, 150 divided by 25 equal to 6 ohm. Next, now the answer for the question, find the Thevenin's equivalent network. Therefore, Thevenin's equivalent network equivalent circuit is VTH, series resistance RTH. Okay, you need not draw the unnecessary load resistor here. They mentioned no load, therefore VTH equal to some what is that, 20 volt, and RTH equal to 6 ohm. So this is Thevenin's equivalent circuit for the given figure. Okay. So ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 4 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಾಯಿತು, 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಥೆವೆನಿನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೋಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಥೆವೆನಿನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಲೋಡ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್, ಲೋಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದರದ್ದು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡುವ. Apply Thevenin's theorem. Apply Thevenin's theorem to find load current and load voltage. This is another type of question. Apply Thevenin's theorem. Apply Thevenin's theorem to find load current and load voltage. To find load current and load voltage. Okay. 60 volt, 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 60 volt, 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm. RL 8 ohm. Yes, next. The circuit is very clear. 60 volt one power supply, 3 resistors and 1 load resistance. RL is load resistance, it is mentioned. Otherwise, they mention like that, like this, find the current through 8 ohm. At that time, find where is 8 ohm resistor, and you have to consider that resistor as load resistor. To find VTH, circuit is like this: 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm, and this 8 ohm, but it is negligible resistor. 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 60 volt. This is opened load. So here take VTH. VTH equal to, this resistor is negligible, so voltage drop is only across 8 ohm. Therefore, how to consider only these two resistors, series network. VTH equal to 60 into 8 divided by 60 plus 8, sorry 8 plus 8, 480 divided by 16 equal to 30 volt. 30 volt ನೋಡಿ, 60 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 30 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ RTH, calculate RTH 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm. RTH equal to, see this is from A to B, 8 ohm, 8 plus these two resistors are in parallel, 8 parallel 8. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್? ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇದೆರಡು ಶಾರ್ಟ್, ಇದೆರಡು ಶಾರ್ಟ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದು 8 ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ 8 ಆಯಿತು. 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಇಂಟು 8 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8, 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 64 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 16, 8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 equal to 12 ohm, equal to 12 ohm. Next, Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit is VTH, series resistor RTH, and reconnect the load. VTH equal to 30 volt, RTH equal to 12 ohm, and RL equal to 8 ohm. Find Thevenin, to find load current and load voltage. ಕೇಳಿರಿ, to apply Thevenin's theorem. Thevenin's theorem apply ಮಾಡಿ Thevenin's equivalent circuit ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ load current load voltage ನೋಡಬೇಕು. IL equal to VTH divided by RTH plus RL. VTH is 30 volt divided by 12 plus 8, 30 divided by 20, okay, equal to 1.5 volt. IL equal to 1.5 ampere, sorry, 1.5 ampere, and VL equal to load voltage equal to IL into RL. IL is 1.5 into RL is 8, 10.4 volt. 10.4 volt. Okay. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.